Please join me in welcoming Randeep to the stage.
Nice melody. Would you like to record
that? Dreams in my head, go. Dreams in my head, go. Dreams in my head, dreams in my head, dreams in my head.
My hum just made it into the track for the keynote and reached everybody at a global scale. Wow. Good morning, everyone. I'm Randeep Bhatia, CTO for Splash Music. Splash uses AI to empower anyone to create music with their favorite artist. Now, when people hear AI music, they think of a robotic DJ with zero soul. No one wants that. So we are not an AI music company. In fact, we are not just a music company. We let people create music, interact with it, and with their community. Now, let's start by exploring what it takes to make music today. First, we all have to pick up and learn an instrument, and then become a sound engineer overnight. If we make it this far, then we have to figure out publishing, rights, distribution, even the viral TikTok dances, and just enough to have someone stop and listen to you. That's a lot of work. But the truth is that we all have been making music since birth. Babies hum. Kids invent silly songs while brushing their teeth. That's when spoons also become the drumsticks. It's instinctive. It's human. Music is everywhere, and we are all creating it. It's a vibe. And whenever we are with friends, with family, we share music. The question is, where do Gen Z and Gen Alpha hang out? In the games. And that's what, at Splash, we made it possible for anyone to create music using ethically trained AI models in the most natural way, just by singing or humming. And music is so much better when it is shared. We have music in our game on Roblox. It's the biggest musical game on the platform. And in just a few months of launch, we have streamed hundreds and millions of times. It's not a big deal. Actually, it is. Even artist lovers, too. Each play in our game highlights the information about the artist and the creator with whom the mix was made. It means when I'm talking about hundreds and millions of plays, the benefits go directly to the artist. This way, we have introduced a whole new generation of fans to the artist that does not exist on any other DSP. As an example, Sophie Tucker did an appearance in our game, and in just 4 days, we did more than 12 million impressions. And so what makes Splash special is this. You don't need musical training, as Radha was talking about earlier. You don't need industry connections. All you need is a spark of an idea to create something from your imagination and reaching it a reality. And we can help you reach to the millions of people around the world. Now, music is a universal language. We all can feel it, but not everyone can speak it. But that's what we wanted to fix it. So we are not here just to build a music AI platform. We are a creativity engine. We are giving people a way to turn the sounds in their heads into something amazing, especially with the artists who inspire them. Our insight in the music is that all music is created by an inspiration from someone, consciously or not. And for us to build that creativity engine, especially for kids, we wanted the artist to become the center of attention so they can feel they are creating directly with their artist. At the end of the day, we don't want Splash to be your focus. We want to get out of the way so you can create a best mix. And I'm going to have an example here with one of my colleagues who is going to create the mix with us.
I've got this song in my head, and it goes something like ba-da, ba-da, ba-da. So I'm going to make a remix, and I'm going to make it in a couple of minutes. Come with me. Choosing DJ Nocturne. Ba-da, 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 ba-da. This is the moment. It's perfect. Let's do it.
That was amazing. Early results have been super great for us. Within few months, still in beta, we have generated over 400 million impressions. Did it fit on the screen? Oh, yeah, it did, actually. Next time, we may need a bigger screen for this one. And so this is just a beginning. Today, you can go from hums to full songs trivially. But imagine what kids can do with the drag-and-drop UI to tell their stories. Even for advanced music lovers, we have generative AI spatial audio tools to explore the worlds. And we even let kids craft their own worlds in the game with the music that they have created with their favorite artist. AI has fundamentally changed our world. Gen Z and Gen Alpha are AI native. So what we are doing at Splash is beyond what already exists. We are making technology disappear in the background so your creativity can take the front seat. We are not replacing human expression. We are amplifying it, inspiring it, and letting it connect with the people from the rest of the world through the music they love. And the question is, how did we do it? Together with AWS, GeniAC team, series of AI and ML model running on the Trainium chips, we have built flexible trained data sets that are not just trained on the data, but they are tuned to human creativity. We have unmatched fidelity and the flexibility to match any type of sounds. Now, that's all to basically bring the ideas to life. We are also an AI native company. In the old worlds, it would take a lot of time to generate your MVPs and getting it to the hands of the customers. And for startups, time is an enemy. And so at Splash, we have built a culture of ship, where everyone from our executive leadership to design to marketing, everybody releases features from inceptions directly into the customer's hand overnight. And how can we actually do it at an AWS scale? So when people ask us, like, what do we do at Splash? We empower anyone to make music. But what we truly are is an imagination company, powered by generative AI, running at a global scale with AWS, helping people dream bigger and making those dreams come real. Thank you, everyone, for listening in to me. But before I step out, I would like to share one of my favorite remixes on the platform. Let's go.
Wow, how do I come back from this? I think you all just really want to dance like I was doing in the corner there, and you want to create some cool vibes. So thank you, Randeep. Really hard to bring back everyone to talk more about other generative AI possibilities. What a fantastic, imaginative use case.